Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Visual Studio Code and choosing a project folder. This keeps files and settings organized. Once done, use the command palette with Ctrl plus Shift plus P to run setup tasks and quick commands. Make sure to install language extensions and enable autosave so you don't lose work. The reason is simple. Extensions add linting, IntelliSense, and debugging features that let you code faster and with fewer errors, so get them now. Next, configure your editor to match your workflow. Open Settings or Settings. JSON to set tab size, default formatter, and preferred line endings. Then configure the integrated terminal and default shell so commands run as expected. Update path if tools aren't found. After that, create a debugger launch configuration and tasks. JSON to automate builds and runs. These steps reduce friction when coding and running apps, and they make repeatable tasks consistent across sessions. Finally, run and test your code using the Run panel or the integrated terminal. Monitor the output and debug console for runtime messages. Make sure to use the Problems panel and linter hints to fix issues step by step. If something goes wrong, first check that your toolchain is on path, then try reinstalling the extension or restarting VS Code. If the debugger won't attach, recheck launch, JSON, and the running process. These checks resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.